Hey, what's up, Hip Hop Airbrush? This your man, Magic Man, once again. I'm at my shop today. I got a young gunner with me. Tell the world what your name is.
Cornell, aka Mr. Paint the City. What's going on?
Yeah, you know how it is. You know, we just getting it in.
So, you already know it real. Air Magic Airbrush. Magic Man behind the camera doing what he do best. I'm a young protege stepping up in the game. Y'all better watch out.
So how long you been painting, man?
About 3.5 years.
So what made you start airbrushing from Jump Street?
Real. On top, Magic Man. I used to come out, let him get shirts did back in high school. I always was an artist, so I just was like, starting you off in the gate.
That's real. So what's you always did art your whole life and everything?
Yeah.
So you from a little shorter, you were just picking up the pencil doing your thing.
When the art awards drawn, since 5th grade, just winning them time after time, wherever threw me on the airbrush to see what we can do with that.
Hey, you look like one of these little young thugs out here. That's your mission in life. What you trying to do?
No, man. My mission is unity, faith, peace, and love. That's what I promote. No matter where I'm at, no matter what I'm doing, togetherness with my people. That's what all I'm about. I'm a deep, we artists, so we up in the head. We deep people. That's what we do. But no, I ain't no young thug. The image don't let it fool you. I'm a straight artist.
Yeah, that's what's up. So what's you got any plans for the future? What you trying to get into?
Putting everybody on. Everybody. Unity all across the globe. Everywhere.
So you just trying to keep painting? You finna go to school? What you doing? We trying to
know if I want to paint the city. My city, Saginaw, Michigan. I want to every part, everything, anything that's toe down, raggedy, graffiti on buildings. I want to go out there, touch them up, clean them up. So we can just through my city first.
So you a shirt artist or what you paint? You get down, what you do?
I do shirts, cars, buildings, pretty much anything.
Oh, okay.
I do pretty much anything.
So it's all for the love of the airbrush there.
Right.
Okay, that's cool. That's what's up. Alright, y'all. Hip Hop Airbrush, we out. Like you said, that's Mr. Paint the City. We're going to get at y'all. Peace.
Yeah.